Coming back to St. Thomas, my family is very loving and caring and enjoy getting together. You're going to find good food, good home food. You want to eat St. Thomian food. My father's side of the family came from the British Island. My mother's side came from Haiti, the French side. And they meet in St. Thomas, which is the American side. My mother never knew a stranger. She would go up to everybody and talk. She's just very friendly and outgoing. Just a short little lady, but very outgoing. Loved to cook. She was a great cook. It was my mom that she always had a herb garden outside of the kitchen door. And she would be the one that would go out and pick the various herbs. And we had a mortar pestle thing where she would put the garlic and the various herbs and then mash them together and then put them into the food. And that's where I got the idea of taking various seasonings. Favorite herb was thyme. And every time I cook, I try to duplicate her little flavor of thyme. So I put thyme in just about everything. And of course, it's in the seasoning. I try to keep my family close. So a lot of what I do is cooking and making sure everybody come over. And so I enjoy that. So that's part of the island in me. I think we're close. I have 2 sons and 2 grandsons. My older grandson has an interest in cooking and trying new flavors. So he'll come over and we'll do some things together. Probably they'll say I'm the cook of the family, and for all the holidays, everyone comes over here. In the island, that's how we brought people together, was over a meal. That's what I tried to do, is bring everybody together. About 20 years ago. I started it small. I started with basic ingredients like salt and pepper, red pepper flakes and onion flakes, and I tried that. And then as over the years, I started experimenting with recipe. And if I liked the spice, I would add it to my seasoning, to the point where it's now about 30, 35 different spices. I would recommend if you take a basic meat like chicken, to use it as a rub. And if you're making a sauce for the chicken, then put it in the sauce. Shrimps, it's pretty easy. Take raw shrimps and sprinkle it into the shrimp and then cook the shrimp. Steaks, rub it on the steaks before you grill it. Fish, something I learned in the island because we eat a lot of fish in the island. A seafood chowder that I make, put it in the chowder. Things like potato salad, I'll sprinkle it. Sauces like spaghetti sauce or other kinds of sauce. Omelets, put it in omelets. There's more spice and peppers and flavor, more zing. I think the little zing gives it a little Caribbean flair.